couldn't see me, but I hope you could hear the crickets. Sometimes I feel that the crickets have the answer. He probably senses me coming toward him, or her, whatever gender this cricket may be. But sometimes I feel like the crickets are magic. I used to say when you hear crickets that no one is applauding or laughing or responding to your jokes or to your songs or to your performance. Maybe the crickets are, at least, and that's all that matters. At least they care. Maybe one day this monologue will be used in a perfume commercial. I hope so. Park Avenue Sass, the Marissa Gall edition. Spritz on your décolletage and think of me. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good evening now. And adieu.